In using the Microsoft Outlook, there may be some times when your email fails to load. If that problem occurs, here are some things that you can check to make them load again. For the first method, open your Microsoft Outlook, select the File tab, and click Options from the left categories. Then, click on Trust Center, select Trust Center Settings, deselect this checkbox, and then select OK. Another way to fix this is use the plain text settings by going to the File tab, select Options, go to Trust Center, click Trust Center Settings, click on Email Security, and ensure that the Read All Standard Mail in Plain Text is not selected. But in some instances, the Microsoft Outlook uses settings from the Internet option to display photos. So what you can do is open the Internet options by typing it on the Windows search field, open it, select the Advanced tab, scroll down, uncheck this option, click Apply, then select OK. Next, you might need to reset the Internet options. Do that by typing the Internet options on the Windows search field, click on it, select the Advanced tab, select Reset, click Reset again, and then select OK. While your last resort is to add sender to Save Senders list. Do that by selecting the Junk option from the Home tab and click Junk Email Options. Then, select the Save Senders tab, select Add to input the email address for message the email came from, and then choose OK twice. Now those are the possible methods on how to make the email messages load in the Microsoft Outlook. If you found this video helpful, kindly like and subscribe. You may also click and turn on the notification bell so you can be notified from whenever we release new videos.